Hello students, in my last video, I read and explained line number 1 to 10 of the poem A Roadside Stand. In this video, we shall complete first stanza. A Roadside Stand by Robert Frost. I have already told you that Robert Frost is a highly acclaimed poet who is famous for his realistic depiction of rural life. Robert Frost, poem A Roadside Stand. This is your textbook. Now, line number 11 starts from offered for sale wild berries in wooden quads. Means these are the things which are offered for sale by roadside stand dwellers. वो क्या बेच रहे हैं वो हमें बताया जा रहा है. This is already read by us that they have set up a roadside stand for the city people for commercial purpose, and what they are selling, this is being told in these lines. They are offering for sale wild berries in wooden quads. Quads means containers. Next, they are offering crook-necked golden squash with silver warts. Crook-necked means टेढ़ी सी गर्दन वाली. You can see in the picture. Golden colored squash is a kind of vegetable with silver warts. Warts is a kind of bumps on the body of the vegetable. छोटे से मस्से टाइप जो आपको दिख रहे होंगे पिक्चर में. So they are offering for sale wild berries and golden squash with silver warts. And also beauty rests in a beautiful mountain scene. Probably a scenic painting made by the inhabitants of the roadside stand meant for selling to the rich people. दैट मीन्स वो ये चाहते हैं कि वहाँ पर एक ब्यूटीफुल माउंटेन सीन है. सिटी पीपल वहाँ रुके और उसे एंजॉय करें. राइट. सो ऑफर्ड फॉर सेल वाइल्ड बेरीज इन वुडन क्वाड्स और crook necked golden squash with silver warts or beauty rest in a beautiful mountain scene. These are the things which are provided by roadside dwellers to city people. You have the money, but if you want to be mean, why keep your money this crossly and go along? In these lines, the farmer tells the rich to keep their money if they are meant to be so cruel and mean. That means farmer कहता है कि they have the money, उनके पास पैसा है, but they are mean, they are selfish, they want to keep their money. So if you are selfish, then please keep your money and leave from here. यहाँ से चले जाओ. You have the money, but if you want to be mean, why keep your money and go along this crossly? Crossly means peevishly, means gruffly. That means चिढ़कर, काफी चिड़चिड़े तरीके से ये बात फार्मर सिटी पीपल को बोलता है, क्योंकि सिटी पीपल वहां नहीं रुकते हैं और जिस पर्पस के लिए रोड साइड स्टैंड बनाया गया है वो पर्पस सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा. सो फार्मर थोड़े गुस्से में है इस लाइंस में और सिटी पीपल को बोल रहा है कि इफ यू आर सेल्फिश एंड मीन देन कीप योर मनी एंड लीव फ्रॉम हियर. The hurt to the scenery would not be my complaint. These lines are told by poet. The poet is saying that the complaint of the city people that those roadside sand dwellers have spoiled the beauty of that place with their artless paint, which we have read in already line number 1 to 10 कि उन सिटी पीपल को ये कंप्लेंट है कि रोड साइड ड्वेलर्स ने वहां की सीनिक ब्यूटी को खराब कर दिया है. बट द पोएट इज सेइंग दैट द हर्ट टू द सीनरी वुड नॉट बी माई कंप्लेंट, कि उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. उसे किस चीज से फर्क पड़ता है? So much as the trusting sorrow of what is unsaid. Trusting sorrow is a metaphor and refers to the fact that farmers set up the shed in the hope of attracting city folk to buy their produce. But their hopes are shattered. They realize that the promises made by the rich are not meant to be fulfilled, and so they feel sad, they feel sorrowful, but is unsaid. Unsaid means they are not able to express their sorrow. पोएट के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी सीनिक ब्यूटी वहां स्पॉइल्ड है उससे उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. उसे सिर्फ इस बात से फर्क पड़ता है कि रोड साइड ड्वेलर्स ने सिटी पीपल पर भरोसा किया कि वो वहां रुकेंगे, उनसे कुछ खरीदेंगे ताकि उस पैसे से वो अपनी आर्थिक स्थिति को सुदृढ़ बना सके. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता. इस वजह से उनका ट्रस्टिंग सॉरो जो अनसेड है, जिसको वो एक्सप्रेस भी नहीं कर सकते कि उन्हें इस बात का कितना दुख है कि उनका ट्रस्ट टूटा है. तो पोएट को इस चीज से प्रॉब्लम है. You have the money, but if you want to be mean, why and go along? The hurt to the scenery would not be my complaint so much as the trusting sorrow of what is unsaid. Here, far from the city, we make our roadside stand. The farmer is saying that here, far from the city, we have set up our roadside stand and ask for some city money. We require some money. We require some cash to feel in hand. Means we require money in actual. हम अपने हाथों में पैसे को महसूस करना चाहते हैं. To try if it will not make our being expand. ताकि हम ट्राई कर सके कि इस मनी से हमारा लाइफस्टाइल कितना इम्प्रूव होगा. Our being means our life, and expand means improve. Means the roadside dwellers require cash money so that with that money they are able to improve their life standard and give us the life of the moving pictures promise. The movies the poor people have watched are full of promises for them, because in these movies they watched a transition of people from poverty टू प्रॉस्पेरिटी. मूविंग पिक्चर्स में जो दिखाया जाता है, जिस तरह का लाइफस्टाइल, जिस तरह के प्रोमिसेस, इस तरह के प्रोमिसेस वाली लाइफ रोड साइड ड्वेलर्स जीना चाहते हैं. उन्हें मूविंग पिक्चर्स में जिस तरह का लाइफ स्टाइल शो किया गया था, उन्हें वैसा ही लाइफस्टाइल चाहिए. That the party in power is said to be keep from. Party in power is government and corrupt political parties. They deprive them of all those rights, all happiness. मीन्स ऐसा नहीं है कि जो डिप्राइव सेक्शन के लोग होते हैं उनको कोई हेल्प नहीं मिलती. उनके लिए बहुत ग्रांट्स होते हैं, उनके लिए काफ़ी हेल्प होती है, लेकिन जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं उस हेल्प को उन तक पहुंचने नहीं देती. ठीक है. सो दैट द पार्टी इन पावर इज सेड टू बी कीपिंग फ्रॉम अस. Here, far from the city, we make our roadside stand and ask for some city money to feel in hand, to try if it will not make our being expand and give us the life of the moving pictures promise that the party in power is said to be keeping from us. So, our first stanza is complete. In my next video, I shall continue next lines. Okay, thank you.